Thank you for watching the Gold Silver News. A few events occurred this week that affect the gold silver community, beginning yesterday with the LTRO auction. Essentially, 800 banks tapped the ECB for 529 billion euros or $800 billion. And the question that nobody bothered to ask is, where is this money coming from? Well, it's not coming from taxes, so where is it coming from? The printing press. The auction was simply just another fancy word for quantitative easing and money printing. The next story, and this leads us to, is the IMF story. The Christine Lagarde went ahead and mentioned that the risk of a global slowdown has eased. Well, duh, they just got, the ECB gave the European countries $800 billion, so they're running a very low risk right now. And we'll see how far that lasts. Now, yesterday also, another thing that affected the markets was Bernanke testified on Capitol Hill. And of course, as usual, nobody liked it. We saw the markets tank. We saw gold and silver tank. Nobody heard or got the words that they were looking for. What they heard was that Bernanke said that employment is far from normal. Well, duh, of course it's far from normal. It's been like that for 5 years now. But who's right? Is the labor statistics correct? They said that unemployment's at 8.5%, which is coming to more normal rates. Unfortunately, we know that they're both lying. We can rely on them, and this is just confirmation of that. The story of the week that I think was story of the week, though, was the Wall Street Journal. They gave out put out an interesting story stating that an even better investment than gold is to invest in the companies that print money. Makes sense. They said that even though gold is up 26% this year, the money printing companies are up 36%. Specifically, LTRO is a Swedish company who prints the money for the ECB. So we know that as of yesterday, they got a lot of business. They got to print out 800 billion euros. So of course their stock is going up, but we know better here at goldsilver.com. We don't believe in paper or any other assets right now. It's strictly all about gold and silver. So what happened yesterday was simply just a buying opportunity. It was just a dip. Mike Maloney always says to take advantage of those opportunities on pullbacks and add to your position by buying. So that's all yesterday presented with. You will continue seeing volatility, ups and downs, but you can see his general trend is still upwards. No need to panic. Like Mike says, stay the course, keep accumulating. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. Feel free to email me. Don't forget to like us, and thank you for watching.